Hey, it's Christy from Christy Playing It Out. I wanted to jump in today for a real quick video. I promise you this won't be long, but since I've been filming videos on YouTube, this is my first subscription delivery with Coffee Monsterz Co, and I wanted to open the package with you all. So I just got out the mailbox and I haven't seen it. All I did was tape off my name and cover that up. But let's open this together. Okay. I've been a subscriber to Coffee Monsterz Co for about over a year, I would say. So, all right. So each package, if you ever never order from Coffee Monsterz Co, comes with a pack by sticker. So these are Coffee Monsterz Co submission associates, and Amanda packed mine. So okay, it looks like we got some good stuff. I get the Pen Pal subscription, and let's see what we have here. Okay, we got 4 washi tape, and put that over here. Let me see. It just, I don't know why I did that. Let me start over. So I got four washi tapes we'll take a look at, and I do believe I remember Helen saying that this is the first time, or one of the first times, that she used one of her color artworks to like I guess real artwork and color pencil drawing. So yeah, I'm excited to open those up. So we have a pouch, and let's get this information and see what we have here. So you get a card with all the information on it and the stickers. So let's pull this out. Watercolor, that's what it is. Like, she used real watercolor. So this has its own aesthetic that she painted them out in her book with watercolors and things, and produced the washi tape. So here's a picture. Looks like it might be, watercolors, and these are the illustrations that she did in her book. Watercolors there. So in the Pen Pals subscription, let's see. We got large homebody doodles. Let's start with that. I'm gonna push that over here, and this is an envelope. So I'll just, it's just envelope, and she has stated you can do whatever you want to do with the envelope. I do keep those envelopes. So this is the large homebody doodles. This is the washi tape, washi paper stickers, and these are gorgeous. These are the earth tones and the couch and things you will find around the house. Homebody doodles. So with the tombow and picture frames and wrapped in the blanket, it sounds like my kind of day. And then chilling at home, there's another sticker sheet for Q2. This is a Q2 subscription. Chilling at home, then home all day, looking at a cell phone, sleeping, napping. This is sound like a perfect weekend for me. And then the last one is tidying up. Okay, so the clutter stickers, this is going to come in handy for me. This is all me. I probably need a couple of sheets of these. It's like they're destashing or sorting, tidy up, carrying the trash out, more declutter stickers, and tidying up. So that's cute. And then watercolor headers. Let me see. So that would be these, I believe. Let me see. Watercolor headers. Oh, yep. Okay. So headers being important to buy this week, reminder, to do highlights, to do priorities, and then these are individual stickers. They're coming in rows of 3s, and then some dots instead of having the like a dot markers dots, all in the same colorway. That's really nice. And numbered notes. Okay. So I'm not going to open this because this is transfer stickers. So you have those stickers where you could take something and rub it onto wherever you need. So these are those rub on transfers, but it looks like it might be 1 through 31. Um, let me see. Let's see. Yeah, 1 through 31. So you could do a whole calendar with those. I want to be very careful. I don't want to scratch the design at all because that would be very disappointing. So I'm slide those back in here. Okay. All right. So that was the water. I mean, that was the number notes. And then we have Antiques from the Attic, 20 milligrams. So that is the washi tape. So let me see. 20 milligrams. It has to be one of the bigger ones. And they're all the same. This one's a little smaller. But these two. So I'm assuming Arctic in the Attic is this. Yeah. Let's see. You get a good amount of, if you ever seen or had the opportunity to have some Coffee Monsterz Co. washi tape, you know that you have plenty of tape, washi tape on the roll. So let me see here. That looks like it might be, that might not be it. Let me see. Did I? Yeah, it just went the wrong way. Okay. So I'm assuming, no, this has to be Spring Textiles, Homebody Emojis, Antiques from the Attic. So I think that is the look. And that's so cute. I'm going to tear out some and place it in the back of my planner. So the next one, I think this is the spring textiles because it looks like the flowers and stuff. So, or you know what? Excuse me if I have them mixed up. I have to make sure one way or the other. But here's another washi tape, and it's the flowers and the florals, and it's very pretty with the envelope. It's a postcard, letters, and then the emoji faces. That's very pretty. So I like the colorways. They're the soft green, sage green, all those feels. I think that is on brand for me this time of the season for me. And then homebody emojis. So I think that this one, at this point, I'm just confused because I don't know. I really need to go back. I'm going to go back and look at the website or look at the Facebook group newsletter and find the appropriate, and then I'll tag it on the screen. So whatever you see on screen is the most correct. So, but this one kind of speaks to me. It's like it's the emojis. So it's reading the newspaper, drinking some tea, like wrap up in a blanket. Those are giving me homebody feels. So I'm thinking that might be the homebody. Let's see if I have it right. That's my assumption. Okay, and one. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3. A tiny neighborhood. Yeah, a tiny neighborhood. So these are vertical versus horizontal stickers, meaning you would go the opposite direction with that washi tape. Okay. Yeah, so it is a vertical. And there's a fence and a home and the trees and somebody looking out the window, a emoji looking out the window, and one with leaves on the head and flowers. That's very cute. The rust. That rust color is really nice. And I'm going to put this here. Okay, since that's all the washi, I'm going to, okay, so this is all three, four, the vertical, the homebody, the antiques from the attic, and spring textiles. So this is the washi tape that was in the four washi tapes here. We have two vinyl stickers. So we have the house and the couch with the card, washi card with the same print. So this is neat. So you can take this on the go with you and have it in your planners. So that's neat. I like that. Okay, I want to pop back in because the footage from my actual first video that you couldn't see that bag. So let's look at this. This is a pen bag, and it has a strap to button over the back here like that. There is a pocket, and I placed my stickers in there, and then you have a spot for your pens, and then a slot for maybe whatever extra that you need to put in here. It's like a canvas material with the emojis printed on there. And I pulled out some fountain pens to test out the size. These are two of my Twisbies. And I have a Jen Howe to go in there. And then Sailor 1911. And stick that in there. So you would close the flap over to protect the lid, your caps and everything. Fold it over and fold it there, and it's a good cushion. So this is a really nice pen bag. I'm excited about this. Uh, this quarters to subscription pen pal kit. I appreciate you stopping by to check out my video. I hope that if that you like my content, and if you do, I hope that you decide to subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when another video is out. And I'll see you in the next one.